Welcome to our quick guide on how to move table columns in Microsoft Word. Let's begin by opening the document and locating the table you want to work with. In my case, I have an invoice with the following column headings: ID, description, unit price, unit, and amount. I'd like to rearrange these headings in a different order, and we can do this easily in Word. Click anywhere inside the table to activate the table tools. Now, hover your mouse over the top of the column you'd like to move. When you do this, you'll notice a small downward arrow appearing. That arrow lets you select the entire column with a single click. Once the column is selected, click and hold down the left mouse button. This lets you drag the column freely across the table. You'll see a faint vertical line indicating where the column will land. Release the mouse button when you're happy with its new position. Let's go ahead and try that with a few columns. You'll notice that it works perfectly. You can even move a column all the way to the end of the table to position it as the last column. Now let's talk about something important. When you move a column to a new location, it will automatically adopt the width and text alignment of the column that previously occupied that space. This means the formatting might shift, and your layout could look a bit off. Let me demonstrate. Take a look at the description column. It's left aligned and quite wide. Now compare that to the unit column, which is center aligned and narrower. If I move the unit column into the description column's position, watch what happens. As you can see, the unit column has taken on the formatting of the description column. The text is now left aligned, and the column itself has stretched, which has impacted the overall table layout. But no worries, you can easily fix this by manually adjusting the column width and resetting the alignment. Just highlight the column, change the alignment from the toolbar, and drag the border to the desired width. And that's it. Moving table columns in Microsoft Word is that simple. It gives you the flexibility to reorganize your data and keep everything neat and professional. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Zimist Coded for more easy, practical guides like this one. See you in the next video.